Creo 6.0 makes you more productive than ever. It's packed with new enhancements and capabilities to help you design the products of the future. Augmented reality, or AR, is changing the way companies design. From how you view and share designs, to how you securely collaborate with colleagues, customers, suppliers, and stakeholders across the enterprise, to accessing your designs anywhere, anytime. And in Creo 6.0, our cloud-based AR is getting even better. Now every user can publish and manage up to 10 designs, controlling who has access to each experience, and easily removing old ones at will. In addition, you can now publish experiences for use with HoloLens and as QR codes. Creo 6.0 also introduces real-time simulation with Creo Simulation Live, powered by Ansys. Fully integrated into the Creo design environment, you can now get real-time guidance on design decisions as you make them. Creo Simulation Live works on parts and assemblies, providing structural, thermal, and modal analysis so you can iterate more quickly and design with greater confidence. Creo 6.0 is adding new capabilities to give you greater flexibility when you design for additive manufacturing. In addition to the standard 2.5D and 3D lattices, you can now build stochastic foam or conformal lattices, formula-driven lattices such as gyroids, and define custom lattices using Creo geometry. You have the ability to analyze and optimize build orientation to minimize print time, minimize support structures, or maximize tray utilization. Creo 6.0 also introduces expanded support for 3MF. As with all releases, Creo 6.0 has dozens of new capabilities to make your life easier. Core modeling enhancements in cabling, model-based definition, and in areas such as fasteners and sheet metal allow you to design better products faster. Creo 6.0 also improves the user experience with new mini toolbars and workflows for creating and modifying features, modernized feature dashboards, and enhancements to the model tree. Product design is changing quickly. With Creo 6.0, you're ready for whatever today's deadlines and tomorrow's opportunities may bring. Creo 6.0. Design the way it should be.